All right, we just wrapped up the Meg open house. We had a pretty good turnout.
Yeah, it was awesome.
I think ended up with, what, 20, what did I say, 26?
20 plus something.
Yeah, so 26 sold. You know, we had a lot of people through, a lot of neighbors, a lot of people looking to buy. It was a lot of fun, and we're gonna do it again sometime.
Yeah, great. It was a great feedback. It was a great time. People enjoyed the drinks, and there's a lot of camaraderie around here. We had some cool neighbors that stopped by to look at the property too. So overall, it was an amazing event.
Absolutely. And next time we have one, we hope to see you there.
Cheers.